there, this is Cheryl Nolan. I'm your chair for the 4-H Discover Scientific Method Research Poster Contest, and our co-chair this year is Starla Garlick. We hope that you will come and bring your science project with your 4-H science investigated at the Lone Star to the contest conference center in Conroe. Don't forget, there's a lot of science in your 4-H project, so we're going to encourage you to take a really close look at your 4-H project to see if you can pull out the science. There's some great information for you posted on the website. First of all, you might have a project that you're already doing that you can investigate further. So it is research. You're going to come up with a research question, just like on a science project, and do an experiment. You're going to need some time because you need to get your entry in by April 15th, but you need to do your experiment and have your abstract ready before you can post it on the website. So be thinking now about what you're doing. Be sure to check with your extension agent because you want their approval. They will also be able to give you some extra information about what you need to look out for as you plan your experiment. We don't want you blowing anything up. Okay, so be sure to do that. Also on the website, you're going to find some very helpful information. The score sheets are posted there for you to review so you can see exactly what the judges will be looking for. What do I do? What do I do with my experiment? Good question. What you could do is you could study the judges' questions and look at the score sheet to see what will happen. The other thing that you might do is practice your presentation because the judges are going to want you to give them a short presentation of your experiment. And you're going to need some visuals. So 2-minute presentation will be followed by some questions from the judges, and then they'll score you. Okay, what kind of visuals are you going to need? Have you ever seen a trifold, a research poster? If you haven't done one before in your school science project, you can go to the website and look on the website for the resources we posted there. Okay, so these are all adapted from Science Buddies. Go to sciencebuddies.com if you need some ideas for your research project. The other thing that you can do is it will also tell you how to use step-by-step scientific method to do your experiment. Why is that important? Because you're becoming a scientist. This could be very important as you look for careers in the future, or if you want to be taken seriously about what you know about your project. This is the way to do it. Here's something simple that you can see, a basic design for a research poster presentation. That's a great resource, sciencebuddies.com. What else are you going to need? Every scientist records all of their notes about everything they did. Every time you try the experiment, you're going to write down data, and you need to record that in a notebook. It might be something like a composition book. But you can see here how this student copiously wrote down the date and the time and what happened, everything that was there in the experiment. It's right there for the judges to see. Along with your handwritten notes, you'll want to produce a notebook, which is can be any notebook, and that shows the judges your research that you've done, and any photos that you took, and other information that you took down about your experiment. Now, I hope that doesn't sound too hard, because really, science can be a great way to explore careers and other interests. So, we hope you'll show up for the 4-H Research Poster Contest. This is an invitational contest, so you do not have to qualify at your county level. It's open to senior age youth and intermediate age youth. And if you come and prepare at your county level, come to the district level, there's also going to be a contest at the state level. You can come to Roundup in Lubbock this year. We hope you'll get on the bandwagon and become a scientist and showcase your 4-H project so we can take a closer look.